Okay, what's up guys? Now, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's been like a month na siguro nung last tayo na nag-upload. No, medyo busy lang sa buhay-buhay. Pero yun nga, today, I will be sharing the information na medyo na-observe ko lang, no? It's again going to be about the traditionals, the Dow Jones, the dollar, of course, Bitcoin, and a fundamental news that could really affect uh, the whole market, no? So, tingnan natin kung meron. So, please watch until the end of the video. And bago tayo magsimula, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like and share ng ating video, no? So, this chart is on the daily time frame. This is going to be the Dow Jones. Yan, nakikita niyo dito. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index chart. So, in the daily time frame, it looks like the price action is nasa isa siyang parallel channel. Diba? Again, if this channel is going to break down, no, this is going to target at around the 37.9K-ish area. And if that is going to be the case, pwede siyang mag-continue down. Bakit? Siguro, i-pull up nyo na lang din sa inyong mga sariling chart. Pwede nyo i-plot yan, gayahin nyo, no? Again, that is going to be for the traditionals, no? For the traditional market. So, looking at the dollar or at the DXY, no? Tingnan natin kung maglo-load din. This nag-load na siya. The recent price action in DXY is nag-break out siya from this resistance area or this one, resistance area, no? So anong napapansin natin as of right now, it is currently retracing, no? So if i-adjust natin yung line na yan, tingnan natin kung nakalock ha. So nakalock siya. If I am to adjust this line, so if let's say isagad natin hanggang dito sa mga points na to kung saan siya last touches dito, dito, resistance, rejection, rejection, rejection. As of right now, it is currently retesting that area. So let's say if this is making a role reversal from a recent resistance, magiging support siya, pwede tayong mag-look forward for a potential bounce in this area. So ano magiging target? Let's say nagkaroon siya ng breakout from that area. So that is going to target at around this area or the top of the wedge, which is going to be around 114.5 of ADXY. Ibig sabihin lalakas si dollar. So that is going to mean na the traditional markets may really collapse or melt down, no? So potentially lang naman. So dito naman tayo ngayon kay dollar chart, no? Or sorry, dollar Bitcoin US dollar chart. No? Kung mapapansin natin, it looks like it is very normal. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, umaangat siya sa daily chart without the proper volume that we want to see. Again, itong movement na to, this is going to be WXY for me. So that is going to be a impulsive move or a corrective move. So in that case, gusto natin makakita if this is really legit na bullish. Kung bullish, gusto natin increasing yung volume niya dito. So this is going to be the volume, no? So this, ayan, nag-restore siya. If this is going to be the volume, gusto natin makita na ganan yung kanyang ipapakita. Pero as of right now, wala siya, medyo kalmado. So wala siya masyadong volume in my very, very honest opinion. And again, this could be a tawag dito expanded flat, a WXY correction or an ABC correction na WXY. So bakit WXY? Bakit hindi ABC? Kasi for me, this is a complex correction. WXY, XZ, tapos WXY, that is for the wave X. And then, pwedeng WXY, XZ din yung wave Y. Tingnan natin ngayon if this is going to start the beginning or this is going to begin the wave Y. So, again, the target for the wave Y is around this area, around the 3.5 to 4K-ish area. So, is that still possible? Pwede, no? So, bakit? Siguro tingnan natin 'tong news na nakita ko few days ago. So, yesterday, April 4 na ba ngayon? Kahapon ko nakita 'to. So, eto sabi ni Watcher Guru, ang US government transfers 30,000 plus Bitcoin worth $2.1 billion, no, from Silk Road to Coinbase. So, bakit mo naman ililipat sa isang exchange yung mga crypto assets mo? So, malamang sa malamang magbebenta na sila ng assets nila. So I'm not sure, pero that is going to be a huge impact lalo na sa mga newbies na madala ang emosyon, no? So again, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like and subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel. Kung ngayon niyo pa lang 'to nakita, pwede niyong i-share sa mga kaibigan niyo, mga nagsisimula pa lang. I am trying to be back dito, no? Magkaroon ng more screen time. No? So yun lang, maraming salamat. Paalam hanggang sa susunod. Mag-comment kayo diyan.